Guru comes, picks you up this life first time, or from previous life, again picks up. Same Guru. Rupam changes, but recognition. Bhagavan, from Bhagavan comes knowledge, remembrance, and forgetfulness. You know amnesia? Amnesia is a disease where you hit your head or something and you forget. And your wife comes in front of you, I'm your wife. Nejanda. I don't know. I don't know who you are. And then your children, I don't know. Or forgetful. And maybe some hypnotist or some psychologist, or the wife comes every day. I'm your wife, don't you remember? My name is like this, you know my name? And gradually somehow, Paramatma, by good fortune, that disease leaves you and you recognize your beloved wife or children. And again renew your relationship, which was temporarily suspended due to the influence of the disease of amnesia. And the same way, you're with your Guru, and then you don't make perfection. So in one form, Guru goes to Lila. Guru has 1,020 forms. Chandogya Upanishad, Jiva Goswami is quoting, and Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, and it's actually, the quote arises from Govinda Vasya, commentary on Vedanta Sutra by Baladev Vidyabhushan. And in the commentary on that particular shloka of Vedanta Sutra, Baladev Vidyabhushan is quoting Chandogya Upanishad, who says that the Mukta Jeev, the Mukta Purush, can expand himself into 1,020 forms. My Guru is a Premi Bhakta, he's a Siddha Mahatma, so he leaves, then Golok Prapti, Nitya Lila Pravishta. How he comes back? He's up there waving, hi, good luck. No. He's there in one form in his Manjari Swarup, and the next life he appears another. And when you meet your Sadguru, the heart will speak. It's not a mental acceptance. You mentally measure. Oh, are you Shastra Nipun? Are you Shuddh? Are you Brahman? Many ways you can measure with the mind and the yardstick by the standards of Shastra, the Vishesh Guru Lakshana, the so-called ordinary Guru Lakshana. So you must do that. You must use your intelligence and your mind. But ultimately, the heart will speak. This is my Guru, or this is not my Guru. So, how to hear the voice of Paramatma to tell you who is your Guru? Pray and go to all your favorite Thakurjis and